Okay, so this is part 2 from earlier when I was recording. It's about 9:30 at night, non-stop. And I have not even sat down at all. I just literally worked straight through. I can't begin to tell you how humid it is and all that stuff. And I know I'm not the only one that does this type of work. I mean, this is rough work, but yeah, I think it's just giving it everything I got by myself. Of course, with my little boys, showing them how to work. Got all the trusses in. I got some spacers right there up in the rafters just to sort of keep the tarp from drooping. It's a temporary quick fix, but it's enough to make sure it's not going to sag or pull on the frame at all. So I mean, technically, if worse came to worse, that's probably because I survive another winter like this. But yeah, I don't plan on doing that. It's just budget-wise, I didn't have enough to buy all the OSB I would need to actually put this all down. But it's pitch black out here. I got all my lights on, as much lights as I can possibly have on, but the bugs, everything, it's just it's a lot. I did about 16 hours today. I did about another 15 hours yesterday, but I got a lot of ground covered, so I can't complain. About 1 more hour cleaning up, and then back to the grind. Alright guys, I'm checking out. Have a good one.